Hi, hope all is well. In today's video, our topic is Scraper API. What is Scraper API? So here is the definition: Proxy API for web scraping. How it works? So you can see here on right hand side, it's very simple. We have to just integrate here our API key provided by this website and the target URL from which we are interested to get data. And then what is benefits of its benefits of Scraper API: on sign up get free 5k requests for 7 days and 1k request every month. So here you can see, get started with 5,000 free API, no credit card required. And then simplicity, as we saw, it's very simple. We have to just send request to this API. In response, we will receive HTML document. Then after it, we will apply our XPath, and this way we can easily extract data. JavaScript branding is also a benefit of this API. Assign geographic IP address to avoid ban from websites. And then captcha solving, so you can see here the definition also handles proxies, browsers, and captchas, so you can get the HTML from any web page with a simple API call. In coming video, I will cover each benefit of Scraper API with a proper example. Stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching the video.